It's an interesting day of trade today. It's flat for the index at large, but it's quite a bit of reversal from what happened yesterday. So if we had IT, which was extremely strong, and banks and metals, which are extremely weak, it's quite the contrast today. So CNX IT is down 1.5%, TCS, Infi, HCL Tech, etc., are all down. And banks and metals have done reasonably okay on the index. So Hindalco is the top gainer, Bank of Baroda is the top gainer as well. You have Tata Steel, which is up close to 1.5%. So that's pretty much the summation. It's pretty much a mirror image of what we did in yesterday's session. So just watch out for that one. By the way, some news from the Supreme Court. We'll just get the news going. They've asked BCCI to name the panel to probe N. Srinivasan and MS Dhoni. Okay, so the first time I'm hearing about a probe on MS Dhoni, and Indian Cements is seeing that impact, by the way. The Mudgal report, of course, has named Srinivasan in the IPL spot fixing case. Mind you, I believe 13 names from what I was saying, 13 names revealed, including N. Srinivasan, and now the Supreme Court is asking BCCI to name the panel to probe N. Srinivasan and MS Dhoni. This is serious news. And from somebody who's trading India Cements, it's serious as well, because the stock has had quite a bit of a run-up over the last few days as well. So the 5.5% downtick that we're seeing is a result of a run-up that we've already seen in India Cements. No, it could be more as well. Time will tell. But for now, the stock is definitely under pressure.
In fact, it's the biggest loser on the mid-cap index as well. So that's and slip below that 70 mark as well. Besides that, from the broader markets, then you've got a fair bit of pressure that's building up on names like Future Retail. I believe this had a good run yesterday, so that's at a level of about 97.80. Unitech, HDFC. So a couple of these mid-cap real estate names as well are coming under pressure right now. High beta pockets certainly having a bit of a rough ride today. Suzlon, Voltas, these two names are also lower by almost 2%. However, what's doing well then? Let's focus on a couple of those names. Adani Group stocks have been flagged off earlier on in the day as well, and they're still maintaining those gains. So an Adani Enterprises, of course, it was a stellar move of 12% when we last checked. It's up by about 10%. However, still Adani Ports, Adani Power's doing well. Reliance Capital there. It's nudging that level of almost 376. You also have an IGL sitting at a level of almost 295 and up move of about $8 bucks. J&K Bank, that's been very interesting, and the overall banking pack is pretty active today. You've got a good smart move on the bank Nifty, up by almost 90 odd points, and a J&K Bank then that's at a level of 1675, higher by almost $43.5 right now.